Have you realized that nowadays summers are scorching hot and winters are biting cold? Either it rains heavily for many days or it does not rain at all. What could be the reason behind? Do you know? Every time you leave a switch on or opt for a car over bicycle or waste paper or waste food, you contribute to a rise in global warming. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ghar Se Guru. In today's class we will discuss what global warming is, what are the responsible factors behind, and what are the remedial measures for it. But first, let's understand what is global warming. As the name explains itself, global warming means warming of globe or warming of our earth. So global warming means overall increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere, then the required level. As we know, Earth is home to hundreds and hundreds of species of animals, birds, and plants. This rise in Earth's temperature ultimately leads to extinction of many species. The reason behind global warming is greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is a phenomena which is used to grow crops in cold regions, wherein crops are grown covered with glass sheets. These sheets trap the heat of sunlight inside so that the temperature inside will remain warm even at night for the crops to grow. Something like this happens with the earth as well. Just like crops are covered with glass sheets, the earth is covered with a layer of atmosphere. This atmosphere is actually a thin layer of gases. When the sun's energy reaches the earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space, and greenhouse gases absorb the rest. The absorbed energy warms the Earth's atmosphere and the surface of the Earth. This process maintains the Earth's temperature at around 33 degrees Celsius, warmer than it would otherwise be, allowing life on Earth to exist. Greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. Greenhouse gases are required to be in a balance for Earth to have a required temperature. But when their number increases, there becomes an imbalance. And increase in the rise of greenhouse gases makes the temperature of Earth warmer. Because the more the amount of greenhouse gas, the thick is their layer on atmosphere, and then they trap more heat and do not release it back to outside atmosphere. Now you must be thinking, what causes this imbalance of gases? So, there are some activities done by human or otherwise that increase in the amount of greenhouse gases. First, cutting down forests. Cutting down forests by humans for construction like making roads or townships. As we know, trees absorb carbon dioxide, but when most of the trees are gone, there are no enough trees to absorb carbon dioxide, and this increases the amount of carbon dioxide in Earth's atmosphere and increases global warming. Second is burning of fossil fuels. Burning fossil fuels for making electricity, for running industries, or for running vehicles also leads to increase in the amount of greenhouse gases, and it ultimately causes global warming. Third is farming large amount of livestock. Farming large amount of livestock also tends to increase greenhouse gases and contributes in global warming because raising livestock generates 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions that are very bad for the environment. Another reason for this greenhouse gas increase is wildfire that burns thousands of trees and releases gases that increase greenhouse gas. The effects of global warming. The effects of global warming are melting of glaciers' ice, extinction of many species of plants, animals, and birds, continuous rainfall, unpredictable weather conditions, increase in sea levels, heat waves, and whatnot. Now, they say it's better late than never. There are ways to reduce the effect of global warming, and they are switch off electrical appliances when not in use, reduce, reuse, and recycle, use bicycle or walk rather than car or bike, reduce plastic waste, use renewable energy, and last but not the least, plant more and more trees. By adopting these methods, we can give some time to nature so that it can heal itself. As we have seen in recent times, if man does not interrupt, nature has the power to heal and rejuvenate itself. That's all from Ghar Ka Gurukul today. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.